Welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, which is Wednesday, the 7th day of March 2018. Like always, everything you do within your own risk, own reward. And Bitcoin on the 2-hour time frame, which is using these two small lines of Fibonacci from the major key resistance and support below, has had a little bit of entangling, consolidating both above and below the 38.2% down level. Has had a break below, has yet to resist that level since going below. It is entangling itself within the 18 of lows. But the major key support is going to be the 10-1-6-7 handle. Anything down towards there, any type of bullish setups are totally still in play. But if it can hold and stay below this point, major or moderate rather reason for concern on the Bitcoin price. Let's take a look at this on a daily term time frame. And it is merely a test of this 18 average of lows. The last time it encountered it, it did so with success at that point, but it didn't make a higher high since then it made a matching high. So therefore, the major reason for concern, not moderate, would be if it holds and stays below around 9,000. Let's move on next to Litecoin. And its price action has spent the last 2 days now, or that yesterday it closed below the 18 lows. Today it is staying below that level. It has dipped below 200. And the 18 average is also starting to decline. The level of support I'll be looking at if there is continuation down will be that of $171.50. When we take a look at this cross against Bitcoin, it's had a lot of these moves in here where it just does a lot of nothing going sideways, and it's been really doing that for the last 3 or 4 days, staying in a very tight range, barely below this 18 average of lows. And the level of resistance last was support at 1953. We can see the resistance occurred on March the 3rd. And I'll be looking at 167 area, even probably down to 160 as an area for support if there is going to be another leg lower within this chart. Okay, let's finish this off with an SLS, Salus or Salus, not sure how it's pronounced, but the technical analysis volume picked up and it's staying consistent. Another big movement up today as price action had a huge 4x gain from about the 300 handle up to about over 1200, giving back half its value successfully over 5 days down to this point in here, and now rising above the 18 average. Let's take a look at this on a 2-hour time frame. And originally, after a big move, you had your original bit of sellers that came in, which are profit takers. They've been waiting for some decent gains, and they got some. And then another load of buyers come in, and then the next wave of sellers as well. But no major buyers or sellers coming in, at least until today, after a very successful correction. And now short term, I'm looking at this roughly around the 75 to 85 handle to see if that can be support within this move, because that was an area of resistance within this time frame. Let's take a look at this on the weekly time frame. And over the 2 years of history, the 2016 resistance was supported last year. And this is in a situation where it broke out from the 18 in here with a small move, correction back to 18, and is looking to leave it. That would be a very interesting situation because resistance at the 120 handle is big now, and I'd be looking for a move at least up to previous high, which would be about a 3x gain from here. Actually, a 4x gain from where we stand. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.